What if you could upgrade your old door lock to a smart keyless system in just minutes? No drilling, no pro help, and no permanent damage. Well, Xiaomi is betting you can with its new self-install smart lock. This retrofit smart lock slips right over your existing cylinder and lets you unlock your door using fingerprint, PIN code, Bluetooth, remote app control, even voice commands via Alexa, Google Assistant, or Apple Home, all powered by Matter Smart Home support for cross-platform connectivity. Before we continue, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product, I'm exposing it so you don't get misled. The lock's auto-lock feature, duress alerts, real-time access logs, and family arrival notifications bring next-level convenience. The keypad is IP65 water-resistant, and Xiaomi claims a 99.3% accurate fingerprint sensor. Plus, it's backed by EU cybersecurity certification for added peace of mind. Installation is what really sets this apart. It fits 8 common cylinder types and uses double-sided tape or screws, making it ideal for renters or DIYers. Battery life is decent too. Xiaomi says around 6 months with everyday use before recharging. But what are real users saying? Some buyers online warn that smart locks, especially region-variant models, may not always connect easily to the Mi Home app unless you're in a supported region. One user trying to import it from Japan wasn't sure the local app would pair correctly, something to consider if you plan to order from abroad. Security purists are a bit split, too. While many appreciate the convenience, others argue that smart locks can introduce new risks if the app or firmware goes unmaintained or if the device isn't supported long-term. That's common sentiment with smart door locks in general. So, should you get the Xiaomi self-install smart lock? If you're after easy setup, multiple unlock methods, and smart home integration without swapping out your whole deadbolt, this could be a strong budget-friendly pick. The key downsides are its reliance on app connectivity and the need to check regional compatibility before buying. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and drop a comment below if you want a quick comparison with other smart locks. Let's talk security.